And after you plug out the transmitter, you need to first change this part. If the metal part is go inside about 3 mm, then it means that this transmitter you need to replace. If not replace, then this part. If not replace, then this part will go out. You see, if this part is go inside, if this metal part go inside about 3 mm, and you didn't change it, go in about 3 mm deeper, and if you didn't change the transmitter, then this metal part will come out. If this part come out, then you need to change the whole handle. So that you must be careful of this, and then change the transmitter and plug tightening to make sure it is tightly plugged. Then it is okay. Okay, then every time after you have treated about 20 clients, then you need to check about the handle, check everything, especially the seal rings and the plastic, the seal rings and also the plastic tip. This seal ring is here, yes, and this big seal ring is here, yes, and also this part is plastic seal. Yes, this plastic is here. You see the bottom, there is a black circle, and in the middle of the black circle is this part, is this plastic tip. Yes. Yes. And also you see this red circle, the red seal ring, this one. Yes. Check. You need to check the red circle and also this black seal ring, and this big black seal ring. And then you check the part inside, bottom. You see? Yes, this part. This is this one. Inside, at the bottom of the bottom. You use this tool to plug it out, to plug this out, and then change it. Yes. And this tool to put it flat. Yes. And then plug this in. That's unplug in. And now we teach you how to clean the pipe, the tube, clean the bonnet tube. Use this tool. Yes, use this tool. Yes, so this is to clean it, to avoid the dust inside. And then put the bonnet inside the bowl. The bottle with bowl. Put the bonnet inside. We'll change the bonnet. Yes. And then put everything back. Yes. Okay. Okay. If you feel the pump sometimes, the compressor sometimes work and sometimes not working, and also if you feel that the button has some problems, then now we teach you how to check the button. Okay. Firstly, you plug out this. Yes. And then you see here. Yes. And the operation page, yes. And you open this, you press, there is a button there. You press it, and then the machine is working. And also there's here, the air come out, and you hear the sound, you hear the sound of the shock waves. This means that the compressor is no problem. Yes, and you press again, you press the button again, then the machine, the compressor will work. This means the machine is no problem, and the problem is the button. And then you plug out here. See the inside. This part. This part. Yes, you press it. Use this tool to press it. Okay. Okay, and then you plug out this. Yes. Plug out it. And unscrew the 3 screws here. Yes, press the button. You just press it and to get this out. Yes.
调好这个开关可能松了，拧紧
And
一点。
this, the inside, there is a screw inside here. There's a screw. You see the screw here? There is a screw here. It means the screw maybe it is not tightened. You see this? This is the tip. Yes. Yes. So the screw inside, maybe it is not tightened. You need to use the tool to tighten it. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Here. Yes. Use the screw to tighten the screw inside.
Here is
Yes.
must touch here. This part. Touch this part. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay.